Kanina pa po ako dito kay Tok Laki ako, kay Kuya Lake ko. Alam mo, may attitude siya doon siya, pero lalakit siya ng house, no?
Tama!
Labas mo isang data ko, baby. Joke lang, hi girl. So, mag-brother kayo, brother and sister. So, sino na eldest one? Ay, elder na. Yeah, really? First kayo, nurse. Oh my God, who asking you? Me too, I'm also an RN. Yeah, resigned nurse. Yeah, because I have my own university. Come on, pack me. And when you're done, I pack you later. So, how long have you been in practice now?
10 years.
10 years?
Since
Oh my God.
birth!
You older than your hospital, I think. Yeah. So, may asawa. Talaga, ilan ang product? 3. Uno, ang product mo? 3. And then, Sister Arthur Rose, kayo pa lang talaga. Talaga, bali 10 years ka na doon, bali 2,000. Lugo, ano na mismo dito sa Cavite? You're originated by here in Cavite?
No.
Where? Frisco. Quezon City! Oh, malapit sa niya, tapos niya, C3. Diba? Bakit? Quezon City, tapos niyo, C3. Bakit? Tama na ako. Diba talaga? Frisco kayo, malapit na kasi sa amin yan.
Saan kayo?
Ha? Sa Buanga.
Hey!
Gusto talaga.
Bakit yan?
Sa hospital na, here, located in...
Donde kayo di Zamboanga?
Yan lang, sa kabilang kanto.
I'm sorry kasi I'm not here from Lasma kasi.
Donde to?
Actually, I'm all the way from Caloocan. That's why I don't even familiar in every places here.
Yan na.
Ha?
Saan ka sa Caloocan?
Tagat-tagatan!
Ano tingin mo sa akin? Malamang baka talaga? Hindi, actually, we're closer to Nagatagatan. That is true. Yeah, I'm from 5th Avenue. Yeah, kaya nga C3. Diba? Alam niyo na, may kilala ka sa Nagatagatan?
Kapit-bahayan.
Ha? Kapit-bahayan. Yeah, I have a friend there. Saan po? Ano? That is establishment yata yan na parang hospital or something, a bomberman like that. Okay, ready na kayo? My God, nice talking to you, healthy ka kausap dahil mo natutunan. Tama.
Pag-hospital ka muna sa amin.
Oh my God, don't worry, I've been
May
there.
nag-AIDS ka.
Oh my God, don't worry, I'm not into it.
O tulog mo muna.
Oh my God, I have it na before.
Antibiotic lang yan.
I have it in my bag. Do you want to see some more receipt from my doctor? Yeah. Yeah, actually, I'm speaking, I'm taking a medication right now because I have a, yung allergy. I have an allergy.
Okay.
Yeah, mataas yung call nila hemoglobin like that. Is dapat 4 point something lang daw and then mataas siya yung 6 point something.
Hemoglobin o WBC?
I don't know, dahil mapakita ko sa yung resibo, punyeta.
Hemoglobin.
Ako nga rin ko, lang sa ito, lukalawag, gago. Ako kasi, bakit kinamang nuts ka, manong pa sa doktor?
Hoy, yung resibo, bayaran mo muna!
Kinuha talaga eh.
Sasakal sa nurse ko. Kaya isa naman ulit, pupupunta rin.
Oh, that's all. Meron dapat ano yan, may significant.
Pag ito may significant talaga to, manda ka sa akin. Mag-charge ka sa akin ng pambili lang ng washing machine. Ayan o, ito yung sasabi ng doktor. Tama yung mali. Ano?
You have a mild couple.
Ayan. Ito. Ayan ang mataas.
When someone smokes and you kiss them, you go,
O, di ba?
Positive pa ng hair pa.
Kapal naman ang mukha mo, wala ka nakalagay. Kasi ikaw pa pumirma, di ba kompleto pangalan mo? No, ay mami, it's ako. Saya, join ka. Hindi talaga mataas kasi kaya sabi ng doktor, nila akong maganda mag-antibiotic. Ayan. Talaga? Oo.
May tulo ka?
Ano?
May tulo ka?
Wala akong tulong ang herpes.
Bakit kailangan mo mag-antibiotic?
Hindi, ito yung pinakinalan ng doktor. Kasi session na. Commercial break. Brought to you by.
Nurse din to, nurse din.
Ito,
I don't understand, so
Oo, ito ba?
it's like what I'm doing. What? Okay, I'm going home. Bye-bye.
Bukas, magpa-check up ka ulit!
Pasensya, hindi ko alam yung back to. Daycare center to. Ano? Oh, you don't understand. Oh my God, I have a disease. Do you want to share it with you?
May UTI nga, girl.
Yeah. You know, Max, I have a UTI. Do you want me to transfer it to you? Huh?
Of course not!
What I say, I'm in your country. I don't need to understand. This is for your country's people, not for me.
Okay, it's your problem. Basag. Thank you very much. Yeah, tama siya, you're right. Because, I'm fine. Go, play na natin the further question. Dito palapakan natin the brother and sister Ricky B on stage. Friends, you're going to play.
Oh yeah.
Sure. Ang ina mo daw sabi mo. Wala! Uy, gago ba yun? Wala! I love you, Aton! I love you!
Is that a threesome?
Legs, legs. Back, back.
I wouldn't know what to do.
Never drink alone! Never drink alone!
Sumalaman, bakit ngayon ka lang dumating?